Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to convert a Lyca physical SIM to an eSIM. And it's really easy and simple to do, so you do this with the Lyca mobile app. So log in to your Lyca mobile account, and then, or you can also do this on their website as well if you want. Just go ahead and access SIM management. So you're going to go ahead and click on SIM management tab within your account, and just select SIM swap. Okay, you'll find this option right there, and then you would go ahead and select the option for swap the physical SIM to eSIM. Then you can basically place an order for eSIM right here. So on the SIM swap page, you can place an order for eSIM, and once you have a successful order placement, you will receive a confirmation email with a QR code. And the QR code will also be displayed on your screen, and this basically contains essential eSIM information. So you just want to scan QR code and install, okay? So you use the device's camera to scan the QR code received via email or, displayed on your screen. So this will install the eSIM on your phone, okay? And then what you can also do is you can enter the physical SIM details. You basically input the mobile number and the ICCID. Submit these details for a validation, okay? And then once you have a successful validation of your physical SIM, you're gonna enter the details of your eSIM, including, all the other information we had just put in for the physical SIM. Then confirm the swap from the physical SIM to the eSIM. So basically you're ensuring that your original mobile number is mapped to the eSIM. And then once you do all this, guys, you will be able to confirm it. So once you confirm the swap, basically your original number will be mapped to the eSIM, and then any balance or account details from your physical SIM will basically be carried forward to the eSIM. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you, and if it was, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.